Hi everyone, my name is Vicky and I'm an English coach from Dehradun. I'm a computer science graduate and I completed my degree in 2016. Teaching and learning English are two of my biggest passions. I spent a lot of my time improving my English, watching podcasts, listening to native speakers, and learning from English content from around the world. In my free time, I enjoy cooking and traveling. I also love playing the guitar and watching movies. I'm a big fan of suspense, comedy, action, and horror movies, especially those with a strong storyline. I'm a huge foodie and enjoy trying different kinds of food. When it comes to fast food, I love chow mein, momos, pizza, and spring rolls. As for homemade food, I enjoy dal and rice, rajma and rice, chickpea curry with rice, roti, raita, salad, and almost all kinds of vegetables. I especially like leafy greens such as spinach, mustard greens, and amaranth. I also enjoy dressing well. For weddings and special occasions, I usually wear a suit or a coat with trousers and a waistcoat. Sometimes I prefer a formal shirt and trousers with black shoes, and other times I'm perfectly happy in a t-shirt, jeans, and a pair of sneakers. I like to stay active and take care of my health. I exercise regularly and enjoy going for morning walks. In the evenings, I like spending time with my friends and catching up with my family over the phone. Reading is another hobby that I really enjoy, especially reading books in English. I also like keeping my home clean and organized. I enjoy decorating my room, taking care of my plants, watering them, and spending time in the garden. I'm very interested in personal growth and self-improvement. I enjoy watching TEDx talks and listening to motivational speakers from different parts of the world. I find their stories inspiring because they show how people overcome challenges and achieve success. My dream is to become a motivational speaker as well as an excellent English coach. That's why I'm always looking for ways to learn, grow, and improve myself. I also enjoy spending time with my neighbors and friends whenever I get the chance. I believe that good conversation and positive relationships make life more enjoyable. And finally, I would say that ChatGPT has been a great learning companion for me. It has helped me practice English, improve my communication skills, and become more confident in expressing myself. Thank you for listening, and it was nice sharing a little about myself with you.